How to turn on or turn off Samsung Personal Data Intelligence on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on More Privacy Settings. At the top in the Samsung section, tap on Personal Data Intelligence. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off. Then tap on Turn Off. Otherwise, tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Now tap on the left hand side panel to view more information. In here, you can turn on or turn off Now Brief, Mods and Routines, Gallery, Samsung Keyboard, Settings, Suggest Apps, and so on. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.